Hi, and welcome back to the channel. So, you might be wondering, what's the point? What's the point of the teaching, and what's the point of the work if nothing matters and if everything is meaningless? Um, you see me talking a lot about why you should not work for just for the survival, and why should you work then? What's the point of working then if, like I said, nothing matters and your work in the end won't matter, and it won't matter in the end if you um, worked just for the survival, like I always say, or you worked for any other reasons. So why struggle then to create this life purpose work, um, and to really get out of your comfort zone to achieve this thing if in the end it doesn't matter? And the answer is really simple. It's because of love. And I'm not, when I say love, I don't mean in a relationship sort of way, like it's perceived nowadays. Um, yeah, nowadays, when people talk about love, it's usually a thought of conditional love, like love between, I don't know, um, mother and a son, or teacher and a student, or I don't know, boyfriend and a girlfriend. When I talk about love, I mean unconditional love, the love of being. Love is your um, true nature. Of course, you can call it consciousness or whatever name you have for it, but unity even. But the point is that we as human beings, if we don't act from the ego for the survival's sake and taking care of all our needs, and if we get rid of that uh, illusion of the separate self, and if we see through the illusion, then only thing that remains is love. And from that then comes everything you do, the work you do, and how you uh, act with the world, and everything comes from your identity. Now, most people have this false sense of separate self, but that is an illusion, like I said, and you can become directly conscious of that if you contemplate enough. So the real self is love, and the love of being, and the love and joy of life then spreads into the work you do. And that's the importance of, I mean, I wouldn't say it's important in a way, because um, what does it mean? What does importance mean? Importance is a term that is often used, and I don't think it's a very good term to use in this situation, because it's really not important. It doesn't matter what you do. But what I'm trying to say is that when you realize your true nature and you realize that you are love, then that will spread into everything you do. And that's really the point of life. The point of life is sharing love with others. And of course, we can share in many different ways. Everyone has their own ideas, like what they find meaningful. Like, for example, some people might share love in a way that, for example, they're afraid of the climate changes, and now they're uh, now they're trying to save the earth from that. Or some people might want to entertain people because they find that the most useful thing. The point is, we all have many our strengths and our different ways of sharing love with others. And I I love helping people, and I love um, understanding, and I love helping people to understand, because when I help people to understand, and when I help people to realize their true nature and um, actualize or get enlightened, or whatever you want to call it, it then spreads into their work that they're doing, or that you're doing, I meant to say. So yeah, I like doing that, and I think that is the most meaningful thing that I could do. And how do you find your own meaningful purpose, and how do you share love with others? Well, like I said, you have to come from love, and then how you share it will come naturally. There's a good quote I come up with about life purpose. How do you? Well, the question often is, how do you find your life purpose? And my answer is, you don't. Your life purpose finds you. And I think it's a very deep quote, and if you let life guide you, your life purpose will naturally come to you, because you will naturally be interested in doing those things. Like I was naturally interested in personal development and spirituality and philosophy and psychology. Like I was really intrigued by those topics, and I thought it was the most meaningful thing to pursue, because I wanted to see how I will do in the world and what to do with my life. And if I wanted to do that, then I needed to find out what's the point of the life. If life is a game, then I wanted to see what are the rules, what is this game, what is it about, and what's the point. And learning all about that, and it kind of got me into it. It got me sucked into it, and before I knew it, it was revealed to me that it is the thing that I should follow, and it is the thing that I should help others do it, especially because I know the truth. So the biggest love and the biggest way to share the love is to share the truth and to reveal the truth to others who are seeking. So you don't need to at first focus on what exact job should I have, and what you just have to let love guide you, and it will reveal itself by itself. A better way to conceptualize what I'm saying is, don't think of yourself as this person trying to share love, for example. Think of yourself as love sharing itself through this person. So you are love being itself through this person. And that's it. That's it for this video. I think this is a nice intro for my channel, and I'll probably upload it as my intro video for the channel. So if you're new, consider subscribing, because we have tons of quality information on the channel, and we will be posting tons of quality information about, like I said, personal development, spirituality, psychology, and philosophy. Um, so yeah, if you're interested in those topics, and if you're interested in changing your life in a better way, and in finding the meaning of your life, and helping you in any way to help you solve any problem, that's why I'm here for. So yeah, consider subscribing for other videos, and like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any questions, or as well is if you enjoyed it as well. And yeah, that's basically it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye.